Hello, what's going on people? This is Asif and you're watching Tech Tipper channel, and in this video we are going to talk about something related to this video. I'm shooting this video from my mobile phone, and don't you think this video is a bit shaky? Let me stabilize this video on my mobile phone. On my count, 1, 2, 3. Now you can see the difference. This video is a bit stabilized. I haven't done anything. I just use an app to stabilize this part of the video. You want to know how? We'll talk about it after this intro. So if you are into mobile filmmaking or you take a lot of videos from your mobile phone, I highly recommend you should have a smartphone which has got the image stabilization capabilities. It could be optical image stabilization or electronic image stabilization. But the thing is that these kind of features are available in smartphones of flagship level, so you will have to spend some amount of money. And if you have a smartphone where either of the image stabilization feature is not available, you can still stabilize your footage right on your mobile phone using an app called Google app. Now it might already be there in your mobile phone. If not, you can go to Play Store and install it. It's easy and it is an awesome app that gives you unlimited storage for your photos and videos, so you can save some space on your mobile phone. It has got a lot of other features, but we will talk about that in another video. In this video we are going to talk about this particular feature that gives you the ability to stabilize your videos. So how you can stabilize the video is by installing the app, and if the app is installed already, you can open Google Photos and the videos that you have shot using your mobile phone camera will appear. I'm sorry for that. So talking about how to use Google Photos to stabilize videos is by opening Google Photos, and you will see all the videos that you have recorded using your smartphone camera. Inside Google Photos, you can select the particular video and then tap on the second button or icon on the bottom left, which will open the video in an editor, which will give you features like cropping it or rotating the video. And there will be one feature, the option to which will be available on the bottom left hand side. It would be stabilize. So what you will have to do is tap on stabilize and wait for Google Photos to do its magic. Now once you are happy with the results, you can save the video. The save option will appear on the top right hand side, so you can tap on save, and it will take a while for the video to be saved. It is saved as a separate file, so you still have the original file available with you in case if you want to use the Shaky video for some reason. Now I want to give you a few examples of how well the Google Photos stabilization feature works. Take this video for example. I am running after the kid. He is running and I am holding the camera in my hand, so it is handheld and there is no any type of stabilization enabled for the phone. And you can check before stabilization and after stabilization. वापस बस वापस but yeah, it's not perfect, but I think I will choose the stabilized video over the unstabilized video. I think the example that I showed you was quite an extreme one, because I was literally running after someone holding my camera handheld and the video was quite shaky. Google Photos managed to stabilize it to some extent. It was usable, but if you want to get buttery smooth results, you can try taking videos as smooth as possible. You can try using a Gorilla Pod or a selfie stick. This way you will be able to get these stabilized shots, and if you still find some jerks, Google Photos can take care of it. I tried to stabilize the video as much as I could, but there were still some jerks and shakes in the video that were taken care by Google Photos. So the result was very smooth. So this is how you can stabilize your photos taken from your mobile phone camera. And if there is no image stabilization available on your phone, you can use Google Photos to stabilize them. And if you're into mobile filmmaking, this feature is going to be really helpful for you. And I am going to share more tips because I also use my mobile phone. I even edit my videos on mobile phone. This video is entirely shot and edited and uploaded directly from my smartphone. So this is it in this video. This is how you stabilize your videos. If you're into mobile filmmaking, if you're into YouTube, if you love tech, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can even turn on the notification. You can tap on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever there is a new video on the channel. And this is it. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.